If you want to keep yourself updated on what I am doing daily, go ahead and follow me on Instagram, add me on Snapchat. That way you know what's going on with my Porsche 911 and the Audi A4. Welcome back, YouTubers and supporters. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and stay tuned for more crazy content. And these past couple months have been hectic, like I've always been saying. There's always something new. Like in December, long story short, Comcast decided to fire me because of BS. I didn't have evidence to prove my side, and I got another job that pays half the price of what I was making at Comcast. This car was supposed to be my daily for a long time until I get enough money to get the Audi at least running. If you're wondering why I'm wearing the hat, it's because my hair is messy. I don't feel like combing my hair at the moment. I want to get this video out as soon as possible because you guys are messaging me. What's the update on both of your cars? What's happening? Why you're not posting anymore? And I'm gonna explain these questions in this video. So much going on like right now with my life, with the whole coronavirus thing. I'm out of a job until further notice. But once I sell the Porsche, my goal is to at least make $20,000 off of it. Seems overpriced, but if you see the amount of money, the amount of maintenance, the amount of servicing that's put into it, the amount of care that me and my mechanic have put into it, you'd understand the price tag. Yes, that was a $10,000 car that I ended up spending over $14,000 on it. I might as well take a $5,000 loss, sell the car for $20,000, then sell it for 18 or less. I'd rather make the car at least look more mint in pristine condition than it is. Yeah, some people might say it's a waste of money. It's whatever, it is what it is. I want to get my Audi running, that's my #1 priority. The car has 123,281 miles. If you're wondering why I have the airbag light, is because the seatbelt wires are sliced right there due to the previous owner. I am going to have to fix that before I sell the car. I am going to fix this before I sell the car. I am going to fix this before I sell the car. And I am going to fix this before I sell the car. And get a new front bumper. I'm also upgrading the speakers of this car with that car. So what I did recently was I installed the 2013 Audi A4 speakers in the front and the rear speakers because I wanted to upgrade them and make it sound more rich because 2 of the speakers were already blown out. I've been talking about getting this car up and running for over 550 days as this car died September 14th, 2018, and it is March 23rd, 2020. I have to get this car running. Like, I gotta stop getting distracted. I gotta focus on the priorities. This 2018 Audi A4 engine will run on this car. The transmission may be tricky because it's a DSG. It requires a TCU. May require some reprogramming. But if I put a 6-speed manual, bada bing, bada boom, this car will run with no problem, as tuners can already tune this car to work on that. Hopefully by summertime, I'm actually towing this car out, because as you can see, this house has been a bit messy with the renovations, and the garage is where we've been kind of mistreating it. But my parents want the Audi out. The Audi, the goal is to get it either running front-wheel drive first, then quattro, because I want that car running. I just want the car running. Time to get the Audi running. Bear with me, please be patient. I will be posting much better content in the upcoming weeks to months. Let me sell this first, and then we Gucci. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, share with your friends and family, and stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.